Depending on the type of van you have, unattach the legs from the body of the van and unscrew the knob on the arms like shown. Repeat on the other side. On the rear side of the van's awning, you will see a little switch on the roller. You will need to flick this into the roll out position. Roll out your awning, lining up the groove in the roller drum where it attaches to the leg like shown. This tends to be a good guide for where it will need to be set up. Pull the awning arms out to the top so they click into position, repeating this on the other side. Bring your van's legs up to the appropriate height which the annex has been fitted to. If Alpine fitted your van, then you should have a texter mark on the correct hole to go to. Unattach your leg from the van and extend out. Extend the leg into an upright position and tighten the knob on the arm. Do not let go of the leg or roller until you have tightened the knob, otherwise it may fall. Repeat this on the other side. You will then need to check the groove on the drum is at 90 degrees. If it is a little bit out, you may need to readjust. If you're unsure if it is in line, there should be a texter mark underneath that lines up with the middle of the leg. Hook the curved roof rafter into the bracket on your van and unscrew the knob. You will then stick the pointy end into the opposite hole that has been drilled in your roller drum. Tighten the knob so that it is secure and in place. Do this for all your curved roof rafters. It is now time to set up the walls. Before doing so, remove the roller drum strap from the groove. You want to start by putting the long wall in first. Unfold the wall and find the right end and begin sliding it through the groove. You may need a second set of hands to assist you with this part. On each end of the long wall, attach the top velcros to the leg of the awning to help make sure the wall is in the right position. Once this is done, continue on doing up the rest of the velcros on each side. Grabbing your B-wall, thread it through the rope track starting at the bottom. If you pinch the edge of the wall closest to the track, it should make it easier to push up yourself. You will then need to find the anti-flap kit suited for that side of your van and thread it through the top rope track slot, like shown. Hook your anti-flap kit into the bracket and extend it out so the point goes into the hole drilled in your drum. Once you've done this, you can tighten the knob in the middle so it is secure. Using a ladder or anything you have available, tuck the awning underneath the flap on the anti-flap kit, pulling it tight and clamp. Do this all the way along your anti-flap kit. From there, you will line up the pieces of Velcro on the ends of the long wall and B-wall. Try to line this up nicely so it is more secure. Once you've done that, you are now ready to repeat the same steps on the other side of your van. When putting a draft skirt on your van for the first time, you'll need to go along the top bit of Velcro, pulling off the little tabs and press them onto your van in the corresponding places. You will then need to separate the wheel arch on your draft skirt from the main body. This is also Velcroed together and should be easy to remove. Once done so, you can line the wheel arch up with the tabs you put on your van earlier, making sure to Velcro as neat as possible. You can then go along and do the same thing for the body of your draft skirt, as well as connecting it to the side to both the A and B wall. As you go along, you will also need to re-Velcro it to the wheel arch. After the first time you install your draft skirt, you should be able to pull it off and put it on in one piece rather than pulling the Velcro tabs off individually every time. If you find there are places where the draft skirt appears to be a little tight, the Velcro allows you to readjust and place back into position. The last thing you'll need to do is peg down your walls in the eyelets provided at the bottom. If you have any questions or are unsure about anything, please feel free to get in contact with Alpine.